Garrett's Apex is sleek and compact, but loaded with features that others can't offer in this price range. 4 single frequencies, 2 simultaneous multi-frequency options, including the ultra-stable multi-frequency salt mode. Other simultaneous multi-frequency detectors at this price simply do not have a dedicated salt mode or the ability to eliminate ground noise with ground balance. Garrett's multi-flex technology is no imitation. This advanced broad bandwidth digital platform offers unrivaled performance and capabilities. In this price range, you simply will not find such complete and powerful detecting flexibility. Not here. Not here. The power of choice is yours with the Garrett Apex. The results speak for themselves.
Introducing the freedom to hunt, rain or shine, day or night, the F-44 is on the prowl. Fitted with strategically placed seals to keep the water and elements out. The completely waterproof triangulated elliptical concentric search coil produces better depth and better performance than ever before. It is equipped with ground grab as well as manual ground balance for easy yet precise ground balance adjustments. The F-44 features FE tone, otherwise known as Digital Iron Audio Volume Control, which allows you to control the volume of iron targets while still allowing you to hear more valuable targets like gold and silver. Static pinpoint mode allows you to accurately pinpoint the exact location of buried targets. Four preset modes of operation, as well as an all-metal mode, 9 segment target category icons, and a large 2-digit target ID helps identify the targets before you dig. The F-44 is economical to run and operates on 2 AA batteries. It's extremely lightweight at 2.35 pounds, provides precise static balance in order to create an ergonomically correct metal detector. Your treasure is calling. Find it with the Fisher F-44 all-weather metal detector.
The Land Ranger Pro from Bounty Hunter, a professional quality metal detector featuring the latest advancements in lightweight design, target accuracy, and deep penetrating detection technology. With easy-to-use turn-on-and-go settings and 7 preset modes of operation, the Land Ranger Pro is simple to operate, yet allows experienced detectorists the ability to adjust settings to best suit their needs. 2-digit numerical target ID and 9 target ID categories, along with the 4-tone audio ID, helps you identify targets before you dig, while the on-the-fly target depth graph tells you how deep the target is.
The Land Ranger Pro features pinpoint mode to help narrow down the exact location of a buried object, and ground grab, computerized one-touch ground balancing.
The Land Ranger Pro comes with a waterproof 11-inch Double D search coil, which provides excellent target separation and superior detection depths.
It can detect small objects, like coins, up to 10 inches deep, while larger targets can be detected much deeper.
Get 25 to 30 hours of treasure hunting fun from just one 9-volt battery. The Bounty Hunter Land Ranger Pro. What will you find? The F-22 Metal Detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F-22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F-22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F-22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F-22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F-22, built Fisher tough.
I've been using Fisher for 40 years and they've never let me down.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.